war against nature, whose side are you on? Stand up and be content. Together we are strong in the war against nature. Let's make history as we fight for our future. It's down to you and me. That is all we could wish for. That is where we came from. This is our home, this is our garden, but we neglected her for so very long. In the war against nature, whose side are you on? Stand up and be content. Together we are strong in the war against nature. Let's make history as we fight for our future. Down to you and me, you and me. Heed the words of our children, who can see beyond the spin of their eyes. Heed the deeds of those who hold the power, and see the evidence grow before your very eyes. Plastic in our oceans, plastic in the air that we breathe, plastic bags that fly like white flags of surrender in the trees. There are only tears now from the salty sea, in this message in a bottle, to you and to me. From Mother Nature. All that we do, each thing and say, will go around and around this world forever and a day. I am only one, but so much I could do. I have love, I give my love to you.